Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you one tip, the one really success secret that you need to succeed with building an online business. And so this one secret, really, it's the key that I see people using to build successful businesses online, whether it's with a blog or a YouTube channel or with social media marketing or whatever it is. All of the people who've had success with this, they've all done this one thing, which is commit to mastery. There's so many fake gurus out there and just people who will try to sell you this idea of making money online, and it's fast and it's easy and it's free and it's cheap and you don't have to do any work. And that's just not the case. There's a lot of work that's involved with building a business online, with making passive income. For example, I'm building out this YouTube channel, and even though the process is simple, just come up with some ideas of videos to record and record videos every day and publish them to YouTube. It sounds easy, right? But coming up with the ideas, structuring the videos to be successful, to kind of reach you and speak to you in a way that's going to appeal to you, to upload the videos and do the editing, and to have a good, comfortable presence on the camera, which is something I'm still learning and getting used to. But doing all of that, it takes work, it takes effort, and it takes consistency and commitment to mastery. So I'm learning right now how to get better at YouTube. Right now I'm in the process of doing a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge. And this challenge is really to get me started off on the right foot so I can become more comfortable with the camera, so I can learn how to structure my videos, so I can build up a library of content. But then I'm really probably not going to see significant results even at the end of the 120-day challenge. I'm probably not going to start seeing results until I keep going further than that and keep pushing, keep working to improve, keep working to get better. So don't buy into all this BS of these fake gurus who tell you that it's free and easy and all this stuff and try to feed into your shiny object syndrome. Focus on commitment to mastery, focus on getting better, focus on improving, and focus on keep going even when things get tough. That's the real secret that you see that all the other people who've done this successfully, they have in common. So that's it for today. Hopefully you've gotten some value out of this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.